kimenyerewe kidasanzwe cyiza cyane wanavuga rwose ko kizihiye kuko ni ibintu byiza cyane kubona abantu bategura ubukwe basanzwe bimenyerewe yuko bakora amakurse menshi hirya no hino, so kubona umugeni umuntu ufite ubukwe ashobora kwinjira ahantu hamwe muri sale imwe agahura n'abantu bose ashobora gukenera ku munsi w'ubukwe atiriwe azenguruka igihugu cyose.
So this is actually giving a lot of visibility, you know. There's very big visibility. There's very many people around here because number one, Marriott itself, it has guests, and also the fact that there's very many guests here at Marriott, it brings you closer to the client. Yeah, so I feel like it's giving us very much visibility and it brings you closer to the client. Today we're actually very busy working before earlier, but we've gotten at least 3 bookings.
Urumva icyambere cyo turashimira n'abantu yaturuka yaduhuje n'abakiriya bacu, duhuje n'abantu bakora ibintu by'ubukwe. Kimwe mu bintu dukora nk'ababyinnyi usibye kubyina mu birori bitandukanye ariko harimo n'ubukwe. Ubukwe rero icyo uyu munsi byadufashije icyambere cyo no kugaragaza umuco muri wedding fair ya Marriott, ariko kandi no kuduhuza n'abakiriya bacu, abantu bakunda igitaramo, abantu bakunda mu bukwe bwa Kinyarwanda cyangwa ubukwe bwo mu Rwanda hakaza n'igitaramo nyarwanda gifashijwemo n'Inyamibwa.
We base here in Rwanda and we decided to tie everything here. Yeah. What we thought was a neutral point for all families to meet. Because first we actually were discussing like, should we do it in Ethiopia, should we do it in Angola, what would be the first place? And then we're like, why not we do it in a place where we don't have nobody? We had to just bring everybody here and have this. So which
plus Rwanda is such a beautiful place.
True.
We also thought we're better.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I can't wait.
Wow. Well, first of all, they gave us the option to look at different vendors for our weddings. They put it all in one place, so that was a really good opportunity for us. Then second, there were some contests that I got to win, that we got to win, which is going to be actually a really good help for our wedding.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you very much for coming today. It was a real pleasure. But I would like to say a big thank you to Priscilla and her team who made this possible today. So thank you very much. A big thank you goes out to all our members. Without them, we would have not been able to make it possible. And a big thank you to our 2 main sponsors, Rwanda Events and Centerpiece. I hope you all enjoyed it today, and the future brides and grooms. We hope to see you on your special day getting married. Thank you.